Whether you're working in a large organization or a small team, storing, managing, and collaborating on design data is a top priority. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform connected with SOLIDWORKS is the cloud-based data management solution your team needs. Eric is adding some finishing touches to this design by adding fasteners from SOLIDWORKS Toolbox. We toggle over the drawing and make sure everything is refreshed, and we're good to go. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform app is displayed directly in the SOLIDWORKS task pane. Here we can see easily the status of in-work files. And the toolbox components automatically get cataloged and released so that all users can share their components online. The Save dialog shows us exactly which items require an update. We can also assign any item to a bookmark to more readily find it later. It's a great tool that enables us to sift through many components. Only the new or changed items will be uploaded to the cloud. This saves a lot of time and network bandwidth. Lifecycle operations are a critical step. We have easy access to these operations from directly within the SOLIDWORKS task pane. As he releases the item, this will help avoid accidental overrides. And while he's at it, we're going to switch over to the Bookmarks tab and switch the related drawings for the part and assembly to released as well. Here we'll add a related PDF and a SOLIDWORKS Composer file. And in a workflow smooth as silk, most documents are able to be previewed directly within the SOLIDWORKS task pane, including this Composer document. And one of my top 5 favorites, the automated batch save, enabling us to upload local design folders easily, one at a time, or multiples, to designated cloud spaces. With cloud-based PDM, collaboration is key. Here Debbie logs in and gets a message from Eric about a redesign request. A simple search, and she can access the hand wheel. Using the integrated 3D annotation tools, Debbie quickly sketches out some new concepts. And then from here, she quickly opens the part directly in SOLIDWORKS. Before she makes any design changes, it's best to do a where used search. This will give us an idea of the trickle effect of our changes. Here we can see there's a sub-assembly inside the top assembly. So she'll start there. With the design open in SOLIDWORKS, we can see that this version is released. So in order to make changes, we have to create a new revision. With the part and top-level assembly now flagged as changed, we're going to bump those by overwriting them with the latest revision. And then to ensure nobody else is working on those files, she'll simply reserve them for herself, while not locking anyone else out of the rest of the design. With the changes made, let's go ahead and make sure that our drawings are also refreshed and updated to revision B. The shared bookmarks give us quick access to those drawings. With the changes now taking effect, we can now save the new designs to the cloud, set them to the new revision, and then to a frozen state so the designs can be reviewed. She returns back to the assembly and completes it by finishing it with some new hardware. And then she uploads the finalized design to the cloud. Now Eric is working on a version of the assembly one level higher, but it's easy to see the files below him that are reserved by Debbie. He can reserve the top-level assembly and continue his work there. This modular approach allows users to design concurrently without saving over each other's progress. As soon as Eric receives a notification that Debbie is all done, he simply needs to refresh to the latest version of the design of the files she was working on. Taking a look at the drawing of the new handwheel design, he likes what he sees, so he moves it to released. Back in the hatch assembly, Eric adds the linkages, and then updates and releases the top-level assembly and drawings. Out-of-the-box cloud data management enables your team to be productive on day one. Safely store and manage your data while designing concurrently, and all while never leaving the familiar SOLIDWORKS interface.